This ward, the councillor, the political councillor at this ward, Ifeoma, you had her, Anene, she's the councillor of this ward, APC councillor at this ward, deputy leader in this ward of the council, Igbo. And that's how we have it all around. If you go to Amu ward of it, the same thing. If you go to Ojo, the same thing. If you go to Sonwoolu, the same thing. All of our political affiliation at the grassroots reflects what the indigenes and the indigenship are at that level. Even in our cabinet, it's only in our cabinet you can see a true reflection of the three major tribes in Nigeria. So that conversation is not who we are. It's not a definition of our person, our identity, and what we stand for. So what we'll see and what we'll continue to preach is that we're stronger when we're together. We're better when we're together. We will have issues. The issues are not meant to divide us. The issues are meant to correct us, put us back on the right track, and make sure that things like that do not open or occur again. That's why I had to come here twice within a week to make that point clear to anybody that is on ethnic bigotry or some religious, division. That is not what our government stands for. And it's important that when we come out like this and we say things that our citizens believe us, and we can push it and follow it up with an action and an implementation.